Hello everybody, this is Robin from Our Wild Way, and today we are going to do a clay project that shows the layers of the earth. This is a super simple, fast project that you can do with your kids. We're learning about prehistory and the origins of Earth, so this fits in really, really nicely. I'm even using my daughter's scrap clay bin. We use an awesome clay from Michael's. It's $8 for about 120 colors. I think it's from Craft Smart, but yeah, it's super soft and nice to work with. I mean, you have to work it around a little bit, but no big deal. I should have used a little rolling pin for the layers, but it goes okay. So you just start out with a yellow ball in the middle, then flatten some orange clay, which will be your inner mantle going around the core. And you don't need very thick layers either. It does take a surprising amount of clay though. I was a little bit surprised, especially once you get out to the outer core and the mantle and crust. Right, so after the inner core, we move on to the outer core, and we just use some nice red clay. Easy peasy. So this is where a rolling pin comes in really handy. In these outer layers, it's nice to just be able to wrap a pancake-like piece of clay all the way around. So now we're working on the crust. So now we'll put the ocean and the land on. I did one whole layer of the ocean and then added in the little green continents afterwards. This pen actually worked pretty well. It's a little clay rolling pin. I tried to make little continents out of the green clay, but it wasn't even close to the right um, dimensions, and it turned out looking fine, but next time I'll try laying them out a little bit beforehand.
let's see. All right, whoop. Let's see what we've got inside. Wow.
Did you make that?
Yeah.
Cool.
So we've got the inner core, the outer core, the mantle,
Oh, that's cool. Good job.
the crust. Cool. Thanks, Nolly.
Ja, also, aber wirklich, ne, Bilder, also, was ich mache. Cool.